Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the Comfee Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will explore their specifications, advantages, and disadvantages to help you make an informed decision. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub is a semi-automatic washing machine, which means you will need to manually transfer clothes between the wash and spin tubs. In contrast, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is fully automatic, allowing you to set it and forget it, making laundry day much more convenient. When it comes to capacity, the Giantex offers a washing capacity of 12 pounds and a spinning capacity of 8 pounds, making it suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Comfee has a capacity of 0.9 cu fort, which is larger and can handle more laundry at once, making it ideal for small households. The Giantex washing machine is equipped with basic features, including separate wash and spin tubs, but lacks advanced functionalities. In contrast, the Comfee comes with multiple wash cycles, an LED display, and built-in rollers for easy mobility, making it a more advanced choice for users looking for convenience. In conclusion, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub is a budget-friendly option for those who need a simple washing solution, while the Comfee Portable Washing Machine offers advanced features and convenience at a higher price. Consider your laundry needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.